Hello, this is Cisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. I spoke with Jesse about 2 days ago, and I had promised that I would send over this video just giving you guys some few ideas as far as what you guys could be doing online to outbeat your competition and just generate more revenue using your website. So I'm going to jump right to it. So right away, what I look for, guys, is I'm looking for content. Do you guys have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And you also have keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So that's what I tend to look for. And the reason why is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for. For example, if you do AC repair in Tampa, guess what? You want to tell Google, I do AC repair in Tampa, or any other service, right? AC maintenance and so forth. Now, let's just jump over to this tab. This tab here is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand how well your website's performing. So let's jump over to this section. So this section here, this is your strength score, and this is your trust score. You're currently being indexed at 12 and 11. You're probably asking, is that good? Well, one, you do have the golden ratio, so that's good. But you do want to be over 30, right? You want to be over 30 as far as the score goes, because that's a very strong website. Now, some of the things that contribute to those scores is your backlinks. You currently have over 2,000 backlinks, but you only have 150 referring domains. Okay, so these links, they act like an endorsement for your website. And a backlink is basically anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Okay, now, it's super important to understand that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. If you were to get a backlink, like let's say from a pizzeria, like a local pizza shop, guess what? It could hinder your overall scores. And this is what I'm talking about. And that's just one factor. Now, let's look at what type of keywords you're currently being indexed for. Okay, what keywords are you being looked up for? Now, what I'm going to focus is I'm going to focus anywhere in Tampa. And the reason why is because I'm looking for buyer intent keywords that are in the Tampa area. And I'm going to also categorize them by volume. Now, let's just take Tampa AC repair, okay? Or AC repair Tampa. So this is a buyer intent keyword because one, anybody that's looking for AC repair, guess what? They understand what they're needing. And then it's the local keyword, which is Tampa. Now this guy here, this is the volume. This is an estimation amount of people that are searching for it every single month. Okay, now let's just take this keyword and let's put it into Google and see if you are showing up on the first page of Google. Now I'm going to take it section by section. So one, I'm going to look at this guy. So this is the Google Guarantee or the Google Ads section, okay? So right away, what this is telling me is that these people are here. They are on the Google Guarantee section, and if you were to call this number or click on it, they're going to get charged what is called as cost per click. So it costs money for them to be here. You call them, and then they get charged. But guess what? They're getting a call for an AC repair in Tampa. Customers calling from there. This is my favorite section. This is the Google My Business Profile or the GMP. The reason why is because 30 to 40% of calls come from this area. And some of the ways to increase your ranking is one, get more reviews, respond to those reviews, get optimized content and photos, and then update your clients on the Google My Business page. The last thing I want to show you is the organic listings. So we got 1 hour as the #1 spot. But now, these folks here, they're not paying for Google Ads, okay? The Google's already organically ranking them. So let's take this company and see how well they're performing. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm looking for keywords. I'm looking at their content. If you notice, they have a lot of content. And look, Tampa HVAC Company, they got a keyword there. They got AC repair in Tampa, Florida. So let's do the same thing. Let's run it through Ahrefs. Remember that tool that helps you understand how powerful they are? Look at their scores. So they have 37 for their power. And look at this, 64 for their trust flow. They have over 1,000 with 146 referring domains. Now, let's look at their keywords. This is important. What type of keywords are they being indexed? And look, AC Repair Tampa. 400 is the volume, and their position's number 2. So if we go back here, they're actually now in the number 1 spot. Very, very close, because this is just an estimation. Now, guess what's going to happen? They're going to get clicked on, and they're going to get called on. So those are just some of the things that I wanted to show you guys. If you find this information valuable, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Shoot me an email back. And here's the thing, and if you're not, and you're like, you know what, I'm not interested, no harm, no foul. Okay, this is no strings attached. And if you say, I'm just going to take this information and run with it, I'm okay with that too. So this is more informational based, but if you guys have any questions as far as how you guys can continue to increase your digital real estate performance, let me know. I can help you. Anyhow, thank you so much for your time. We'll talk soon.